So if I were to ask you about the fun part of it, so do we make a to-do list of that as well?
You can, but I think things can get out of hand if we have so many lists that we need to look at. So I
Mhm.
recommend to my clients that they have one task list, but there are two specific columns on there. One is for the deadline, so that way you can always sort by the due
Mhm.
date. Another one is by a priority level. So a priority 5 would be the highest. It absolutely has to get done immediately, all the way down to 4, 3, 2, and 1. A 1 could wait 6 months, a year. It might be more fun, but it's not something that you necessarily have to do right away. So having those two extra columns in whatever task system you use, that's also helpful. And as a bonus tip, the third column that you could have that really helps people is the time estimation. How long will this take? Because that is going to help you create realistic to-do lists. Instead of creating this list with 15 hours worth of work, when you only have 2 hours in between all of your meetings, you will create a more realistic to-do list for the following day.